Error code 0x83200117 on the PlayStation portal indicates a Wi-Fi connectivity issue, preventing the device from connecting to your PS5. This error typically occurs when the portal can't establish or maintain a stable wireless connection. The primary cause is related to your Wi-Fi network, incompatible router settings, or outdated firmware on either the portal or the PS5. This issue means the PlayStation portal is unable to connect to the PS5 over your Wi-Fi network, rendering it unable to stream games. The connection relies on stable network components for remote play functionality. To fix error code 0x83200117 on your PlayStation portal, follow these key troubleshooting steps. First, restart devices by power cycling the portal, PS5, and your router. This often resolves temporary connection issues. Next, ensure both the portal and PS5 have the latest firmware. Access the settings menu on your PS5 and check for updates. Firmware Update 3.02 from March 2025 specifically improves Wi-Fi stability. For network configuration, use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for lower latency. Check router settings to ensure WPA3 encryption is enabled and ports 9295-9308 are open via UPnP. Reduce congestion by enabling quality of service to prioritize gaming traffic and switch to a less congested 5 GHz channel. If needed, factory reset the portal or try Ethernet bridging.